Want to create a Mailchimp webinar email that gets results? In this video, I'll show you how to create a stunning, high-converting webinar email in Mailchimp that engages your audience from start to finish. Stick around till the end because I'm sharing a powerful tip that can boost your open rates and make your webinar email stand out. You can use Mailchimp completely free by signing up with the first link below. Plus, we've secured exclusive bonuses for you, so don't miss out. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one yet, click the link below for a free trial. Once you're in, head over to the Campaigns tab and select Create Campaign. Choose Email, and then select Regular Email to start your webinar email. Next thing, give your campaign a name. This will help you stay organized, especially if you plan to send multiple emails for the same webinar. A clear, simple title like Webinar Invite, your webinar topic, will work just fine. Remember, you can always change this later. The third thing, and this is key, is crafting your subject line. This is the first thing your recipients will see, so it's got to be attention-grabbing. Try something like, "You're invited, exclusive webinar on topic," or "Join us for topic, reserve your spot now." Keep it concise, but make sure it highlights the value they'll get by attending. You can also experiment with urgency, like last chance to join topic webinar. Next, you'll need to design your email. Mailchimp has a ton of customizable templates. Select one that suits your style and fits your webinar branding. I recommend going for a clean, easy-to-read design. Make sure the main goal is clear. You want them to sign up for your webinar. The fifth thing is the body content. Start by briefly explaining the value of your webinar. Focus on what the attendees will learn or how they'll benefit. People sign up for webinars because they want to solve a problem, so make sure your email speaks directly to that. Then, add a strong call to action. This could be a button that says, "Sign up now" or "Reserve my spot." Make sure the button is big, clear, and impossible to miss. You can add a countdown timer to create urgency and let people know how much time they have to register. The sixth thing is personalization. Personalizing your email, even just by using their first name in the greeting, can significantly increase engagement. Mailchimp makes it easy to add personalization tokens, so you can make each email feel more personal and less like a mass invite. The seventh thing, and this is super important, is your email's preview text. This is the small bit of text that shows up next to the subject line in the inbox. Use this to reinforce the value of the webinar and entice people to open the email. Keep it short but informative, such as "Seats are filling up fast. Don't miss out." Finally, double-check your settings and test your email before sending it. Make sure you've added the correct links, the RSVP button works, and the design looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. Now, here's that bonus tip I promised you. Mailchimp allows you to segment your audience. This means you can send personalized webinar invites to specific groups based on their past behavior or engagement. This can drastically improve your open rates and registration numbers. And there you have it. Creating a Mailchimp webinar email is that simple. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below, so you can start using Mailchimp for free and take advantage of the bonuses we've lined up for you.